Hi everyone, today I'm gonna do another project of my 100 Python project challenge, and in this project I'm gonna do a multiplication table, and I will start with defining my multiplication table function. I will call it multiplication table. Now I should get two parameters. First one will be our number, and second one will be our upper limit. Now I will use a for loop to show my multiplication table, and I will do this and I will do it this way. Upper limit plus 1, and while it should print my number multiplied by e. Uh, Not here, should write here. Let's test it. My number will be 5, number equal 5, and I will enter upper limit 10 for this example. Then I will call my function. Let's see the result. And as you can see, it prints all the multiplications of 5 until it reaches 10. Now what my function does. First, it takes two parameters. First one is our number, and second one is our upper limit. And what this for loop does. First, it starts with 1 here, and for the first loop, our e will be 1, then it will multi multiply our number with our e variable, and it will print the result. For the second time, it will increase our e variable 1 and our e variable will be 2. Then it will multiply our e variable with our number again. It will, this for loop will do this until our e variable reaches our upper limit. We are adding 1 because it's it stops before reaching this number. For example, if it starts, if I write it, this range function like this, it starts with 1 and it stops when it reaches 10. So I should add plus 1 if I show if I wanna show the result with 10. For example, in this example 10. That's why I am adding plus 1. And I guess that's it. This function and this multiplication table was my 8th project, I guess. So we will meet again in the next project. I don't know what I know what I'm gonna do next, but I should take a look at it. So, see you again in the next project.